So I've been seeing some YouTube ads, Facebook ads, and some Facebook posts about this Pi, right? So they say you can get 20 gig for R1, right? So this is a promotion by MTN. So I'm not really 100% sure if this is really by MTN, but then I was just doing some research about it. Well, so right, so this is the post that I saw on Facebook. So this girl, she said, or this woman, she said she got 20 gig for R1. So this is a Pi promotion by Pi, right, by MTN promotion. You will pay R1 for 3 months for that 20 gig, right? And after that you will have to pay $199. So for me to check it out is because of my boy asked me, said on Facebook, right? So he sent me this screenshot. He asked me if I know anything about this, and he said he bought it yesterday. Since then he didn't receive anything, and you can see the date right here. This was on 20 April 1922, right? This was like from past 7, right? So I then told him that I didn't know this, man, I don't know this. And I also asked him if he got it. He said no. He said maybe this is it. They said he needs some eSIM card or an iOS. So then I just decided to go and check it out, right, on their website, right? So I went on their website. So as you can see, we're on their website right now. Talk about big discount and so on, the plug for the family. You can see right here, right? You can see this is their official website, right? So I'm not really sure if they really have this partnership with MTN, right? Not sure. I didn't really go much into that, but then I just decided to come and check this on their website. So you can get this in 4 easy steps, right? You choose a plan, you create your account, you get connected, right? You complete the recovery. It's like you register your SIM card and get your mobile number, and then customize your plans, right? So if you want to get it, so just we will select the plan. Get this as get started. Let's see. You can see right here the data plans they have. R1, 5 gig. After that, for 3 months, then 99, right? Same thing, 10 gig, 20 gig, and 40 gig, and the last one is 80 gig. So guys, I want you to tell me, right, if you're watching this video right now and like you bought it, did you really receive your data? Did you really need an eSIM? Right, please tell us, please comment down below. Or even if you know someone who maybe bought it and got it or didn't get it, please guys, please let us know, right? So I'm just gonna test it. I'm gonna buy it real soon to see if I can really get it, guys. So as you can see right there, this promotion is limited to the first 100,000 new customers only, guys. So if you want to check it out, please go and check it out right now, right, guys? So if you want to know on how I get free unlimited data on all networks right now, check out this video right here.